You had me at a low, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride out of the blue. I wanna do what you want to.
We can leave and run away someday, someday.
I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you.
Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end. You, I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through.
What we do is what we do.
I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared.
You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you.
Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end. You,
Welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to do a get it all done. I've got my coffee. You just saw me get ready, put a little bit of makeup on, fix my hair. I know that it always just helps me be a little bit more motivated because this morning I'm so tired. My eyes look like they're all swollen. But as I'm filming this today, it is Sunday. I go back to work tomorrow. I'll work for 2 days and then I'll be off for 5 days. So I want to get a lot done today because it is my last day for a couple of days and I'm feeling a little bit motivated. So whenever I feel motivated, I want to get up and do something. So let me just show you what I'm going to be doing today. So here is my to-do list. I have one more load of laundry to do. I got to do these 2 sinkfuls of dishes. My kitchen table is a disaster. I'll show you here in just a minute. And then I need to clean both of the bathrooms. They are getting pretty bad. Both the kids' rooms really need cleaned. They've got toys just everywhere and it needs mopped and swept again. And then I've been cleaning the baseboards and the only room that I have left is the living room. So I need to do that today. And then I have a little trunk that I keep like papers and just keepsakes and stuff. I need to go through because we've just been throwing things in there and it's just time to declutter it. So I need to go through that. And then I would love to do a toy declutter today. We'll see how far I get. But yeah, that's what we got going on today. So let me show you what we have working with. Here's just an overview of the kitchen. There's a lot of stuff on the counters I need to put away, lots of dishes, and then I need to take out that trash. We're still kind of filling it up. And then here is my kitchen table. We've been kind of redoing things around the house and just like making repairs and stuff. And last night, my husband came in and redid the kitchen. He used a Restore a Finish, which I'll show you here in just a second, and basically restained the kitchen cabinets. And they look so good. I'm so happy. I'm still trying to find something to put there. I'm thinking about putting like a decorative window there or maybe a mirror just to kind of make things look a little bit better. I don't really like the idea of painting it because I just feel like it would look a little bit weird. But anyway, still trying to figure that out. But here is our new hardware. I think it looks so good. I'll insert a picture of our old hardware, but it was definitely straight out of the 80s. And then that stuff up top, I'll try and find a clip of what it looked like before, but we literally just ripped all that down and I think it looks so much better. I'm thinking about maybe putting some trim up there, just like little tiny, just a thin piece of trim, just to kind of make it put together. But I think it looks so much better. I am so happy with it. And this Restora finish, I'm telling you, I will find footage of what my kitchen cabinets used to look like, but we just use this and we still have a ton in there, so we could do like other places in our house too. But you literally just we just use a microfiber cloth and you just spread it on your cabinets and it makes things look so much better. And I got this crud cutter to clean the cabinets with. I used it on the bottom cabinets, but I really didn't need to on the top because this stuff worked like a dream. So yeah, it looks so much better. I'm so happy. Also, right now, Terry is at Lowe's. He is getting some paint for our kitchen because, as you saw in that clip before, I've been ripping down the backsplash. I hate that backsplash. It's straight from the 80s and I just do not like it. So we are gonna paint the kitchen and then we're gonna redo the backsplash and it's gonna look so much better. I'm so excited. Hopefully I can get some footage today. He doesn't really like to be on camera, so it's kind of weird for him. But yeah, let me show you the backsplash that we got. It's gonna look so good. So this is the backsplash. I'm so excited for this. I think it's gonna look amazing. And it's literally just stick on. Like, it comes in these 12 by 12s and you just stick it on and you're done with it. And I only had to buy 2 of these, so I don't remember how much they were. If I can find them, I'll link them down below. I just got them from Amazon. I think they were only like $35 for 10 sheets, and I only had to get 10. So not too bad for a backsplash, costing me, what, $60, $70? So yeah.
Wake up at your place, wake up at mine. Same question always. I'm getting tired. We could have breakfast, counting your freckles, close to the west coast. How about that? Why don't we just get a place together? Mornings in our own bed, so much better. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together? Why don't we just get a place together? We can get wide walls with big windows up on the 3rd floor in our chateau. Why don't we just get a place together? Mornings in our own bed, so much better. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together? Why don't we just get a place together? Wake up at your place, wake up at mine. balconies and bathtubs, what you want. Why don't we just get a place together? Why don't we just get a place together? You're quite good at that, dodging all my questions. Wrap your arms around my neck. Such a decent price, earning my affection. Now there's no way to go back. Hoping we're in that movie where you teach me how to dance, and I'm just a young and foolish, begs for a second chance. I'm doing clumsy pirouettes in your bedroom light, praying you will ask me to come stay the night. Baby, we're so cute to pretend. We both know it don't make no sense. When you go, I can't make you stay. So we live for the night and we fade in the rhythm. So cute to pretend. We both know it don't make no sense. And when you go, I can't make you stay. So we fade in the rhythm. So we fade in the rhythm. Such a masterpiece, swaying in the spotlight. Makes me feel so good inside. Oh, baby, don't ever talk about the things that are everlasting. Oh, baby, we won't ever last. Hoping we're in that movie where you teach me how to dance, and I'm just a young and foolish, begs for a second chance. I'm doing clumsy pirouettes in your bedroom light, praying you will ask me to come stay the night. Baby, we're so cute to pretend. We both know it don't make no sense. When you go, I can't make you stay. So we live for the night and we fade in the rhythm. So cute to pretend. We both know it don't make no sense. And when you go, I can't make you stay. So we fade in the rhythm. So we fade in the rhythm. I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby. Dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.
Hey guys, so just checking in. The day kind of took a turn. My to-do list kind of got put on the back burner. So we are waiting for the first coat to dry. And then we're going to go ahead and finish up the second coat. And I'm probably going to have to let it dry overnight before I start putting things back together. But now that I have to go back to work tomorrow, I'm kind of regretting starting this today because I have to go to work. And so I won't be able to like fix anything for a couple days, which I don't know, maybe that's for the best. My house is just going to be a little bit of a disaster for a couple days. So anyway, I just wanted to check in and let you guys know what is going on. So this get it all done video is kind of turned into a kitchen remodel video. So we are going to finish up and I will, show you the process like I have.
I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off.